Hi guys, welcome back. Good evening. The fourth puzzle, the last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, June the 26th, 2023. I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 6659. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot, 19 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10. This one has 19, double of those numbers, yes. So it should be easier, yeah. It's indicated with 4 stars, but for a 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. We will see if this is really a 4 stars. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here 1 single box, always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? Cannot see any dual boxes here. Triple boxes then contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes. I see a couple of quadra boxes. Well, here a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here we see another quadra box in an L shape, and we see a quadra box in an L shape. Remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Alright, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here another quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, here, or there. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. Alright. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Nope. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Upside down, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Only one T shape. Alright, then the next shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, only one L shape. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Next number 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those as shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround 1, can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright, these two boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And these two boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Then. Yeah. Come on. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1 and this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Yeah. Well. Come on. 2. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Well, complicated move. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be a 3 in this T-shaped area. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 here. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5 then, and that box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Then. Let me see. These are 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Well. 2 numbers. No. Yeah. We already have a 3 here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And that box is connected with this box, should be also a 3. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay, these two boxes surround the 5, can be a 5, so one box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Okay. That means that this box cannot be 2 or a 4 because we have a double 2 there, double 4 there. So the 2 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So one digit left in this area for number 5. Alright. Let me think. Two numbers left in this T-shape area for us. 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. 5. That means that this box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there, and this box can also not be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be and there. That means that this box can also not be a 5. We have a double 5 here. And that box can also not be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. One box left in this area for number 3. I marked those two boxes with the 3. We have a 3 there. So no 3 there. 3 is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1. Come on. These two boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. I think this box cannot be a 4 because otherwise this box is connected with that box should be also 4. But we already have a 4 there. So the 4 in this area could be here, could be there. This box can also not be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So one digit left in this area for number 5, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. One box left in this area for number 2. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. So one digit left in this area for number 3. Alright. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for us. 3 and a 2, 3 and a 2. That means that this box cannot be 3 or a 2. We have a double 3 there, double 2 there. So one digit left should be the 4 then. The 2 and a 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So one box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for us 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5, 3 and 5. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1, then 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Monday. We'll meet again tomorrow. Until then, bye bye for now.